Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a professional LinkedIn banner using Canva. Add a rectangle shape from elements. It's actually in white color, you cannot see right now. I'm changing the background color. The background color is I'm choosing a light orange. Hex code is FFBD59. Now let's add a grid overlay to the left side. You can find grid elements in Canva's element section. Add one white triangle and one yellow triangle and adjust it according to the size. I took a screenshot of the all icons in Canva and adjust it in one rectangle line. And reduce the transparency of this is 40%. To look it more professional as a Canva designer, I am adding all the icons which you see in Canva app, like resize option, the 3 dot lines, elements, Canva design, app section. Every section I'm adding. All are grouped and I adjusted in one size and crop it for better experience and reduce the transparency to 40%. Now I am adding a text, book 191 call now. Choose a rectangle shape from the element section and color it to bold red color and position it backside from the book 191 call. Now I added a transform tool which you can search in element section. Actually it's not visible. I'm just increasing the line size to 4 to look it more professional. Now I am adding the person. I took a screenshot of one of his reels and removed the background, adjusted at the center. Actually I created this button section which you can see. It's written 55k family on Instagram and the Instagram logo. It's rectangle in the background and I reduce the transparency to 40% again. Now I am adding a Canva logo. It's not looking like a 3D, so I added a water bubble. You can get this in element section. I group them and duplicate it 3 times on the left side and smaller the size of the second, and one more I added on the left side also. I group them all. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Now the main part starts here. Add the main heading of this banner. I'm adding God is a designer and I choose the font of this text is Anton. Now I am adding a subheading as designing a world of possibilities, because I asked ChatGPT to write a caption on this, so AI gave this line, so I took it from there. I am adding the next text, that is freelance graphic designer, social media design. I took this line from his bio. Now I am adding again a rectangle. The hex code of this color is, you can see the hex code. I am going to change the positioning it to backwards. It's good. Now I will duplicate this rectangle again on the second line and giving it again backward position. Okay, this is good. Now I am adding mouse click element to look it good. Oh, the icon section is not looking good, so I am adjusting it. I will group this and reduce the transparency to 40%. Okay, there is a problem. We need to adjust it. On the next section, I am giving on the left side. As you can see, okay, we need to position it to back. We need to crop that resize thing. Okay, 29. Let's see. No, it's not looking good. Okay, we need to crop it and adjust it. Let's see what happens. It's not looking good. On the left side, no, it's not looking good. I'm positioning it again. No, it's not. And let's crop it all because it's not looking good now. Okay, we need to crop it. I duplicate this layer and in crop section I'm going to crop this. Okay, done. And again the second layer I'm cropping again. The 3 lines icon. Adjust it according to the lines so you can get that perfect look. Okay, now adjust it according to the line. Give the left nudge, crop it again because we need to add that resize crop image on the center. It's not aligned. We are cropping it again. Okay, now according to the line, rectangle line, we are just adjusting it, giving the perfect look. Okay, it's good now, as you can see. Now for this we will adjust it. We are giving on the right side. Okay, it's not one size actually, so let's crop a little bit. Okay, this is good. Adjust it. It's pretty good now. Perfect. Okay. As you can see, the down part is also a crop picture of screenshots. Here we go. A perfect banner is ready. As you can see, the picture quality is pretty good. All the elements used in this design all are in PDF form. Link is in the description. You can check it.